Every year, Independence Day is celebrated with grandeur, gaiety, fervor, and enthusiasm. But this year, due to coronavirus pandemic, the 74th Independence Day is celebrated in a totally different manner. On this day, let us express gratitude and appreciation of the nation towards the corona warriors like healthcare professionals, police personnel, sanitation workers, etc., who have been steadfastly fighting to stop the spread of the coronavirus in the country, even at the risk of their lives. Let us do our part by joining together and following all the COVID-19 protocols religiously to be independent from the clutches of coronavirus. Once again, a big salute to the corona warriors for their noble service. I wish a happy Independence Day to the whole Bharat Mata family.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ।
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी
the change that you wish to see in the world? Dear children, I am Jawaharlal Nehru. I am one of the freedom fighters in India. Jai Hind! My name is Bhagat Singh. I am a freedom fighter. Today I am going to be hanged. But I don't have any regret. And just I pass a national reader who was a great poet and politician, Sarojini Naidu. I am Gandhiji, Raghupati Raghava, Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram. I am Ajari Vinoba Bhave. It is a curious phenomenon that the God has made the heart of poor rich. Today I am Bhagat Singh. They may kill me, but cannot kill my enemies. My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I am Indira Gandhi. My father name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Today I am Bhagat Singh in class Ahmedabad. I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I am known as Netaji. I am here as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of the India. I am Sarojini Naidu, the freedom fighter. I was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Rani Lakshmibai, also known as Queen of Jhansi, she was a great freedom fighter. I am Bhagat Singh. Happy Independence Day. I am Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. I am Bhagat Singh, the freedom fighter. I fight against the Britishers. Gulam Singhabad. I am Rani Lakshmibai, Maharani of Jhansi. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, wish you all a happy Independence Day. I, Vaika, today like to speak a few words on Independence Day.
This is the day to remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others. They sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country.
1947, August 14, midnight. The first Prime Minister of India and a freedom fighter of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hosted Indian national flag in declaration of freedom from the English people. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India.
We celebrate 15th August as Independence Day because on this day we got freedom from British rule.
India was under the British rule for around 200 years.
In this year, we are celebrating our 74th anniversary of independence.
Today, August 15 is the most important day for Indians. Yes, this is the day to remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others. Every state and union territory of our country celebrates this day with great enthusiasm. We celebrate this day with lots of enthusiasm and joy every year. The main strategy of our freedom struggle was non-violence.
India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. On this year, we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day.
We should celebrate